Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to elevate your coffee experience at home? This awesome nitro brewer from TMCRAFT is going to give you delicious cold coffee right at home with that awesome nitro brewed taste. This little baby unit will give you 64 ounces of delicious nitro brewed coffee. All you have to do is set it up. It comes partly together, and we found that going through it and tightening everything was a really big help to actually getting the nitro brewed coffee. The growler at the bottom itself is made out of a nice stainless steel, and it has that beautiful black coating on it. So this really has such a cool nitro brewed at home industrial style. The pourer itself works really well, and right until you get to almost the very bottom, you will continue to get your nitro brewed coffee. You do need to buy your nitrogen cartridges, and then once you put it on, make sure that you seal it really quickly so that you hold all of that awesome flavor in with your cold brew coffee. The brewer fits really nicely into our refrigerator door, and I love being able to just take it out. You can easily carry it with these handles, and that makes it portable so that you could use this somewhere else as well. This brewer will give you delicious cold brew coffee. If you've never had nitrogen coffee, or maybe you've just had it out, you know that experience. It has a beautiful sweet taste to it, and the coffee is really smooth. It has just that perfect little bit of bubbles in it that makes it such a smooth glass of coffee. I am really looking forward to having company and being able to share this with them, but in the meantime, I'm enjoying all of it to myself with this awesome brewer that I can use at home. But that's just my point of view.